did it. I created a thing of beauty and a joy forever.
What was that?
Yeah, go back to sleep, fellows. We artists get carried away sometimes.
They ought to carry you away, Mungo.
Your statue is a blight. Wake up now and see the light.
I've seen better art in a septic tank.
When we get back, I want this ugly excuse for a cat out of here. And I want this dumb statue gone, too.
Mungo's falling.
Yeah, don't mind them, Super Cat. They just don't appreciate good art. Yeah, somebody's out there.
My dream is about to come true. A whole string of Mangle junkyards.
I love a man who has a plan.
But they'll never sell, Mr. Mangle.
They will after we finish wrecking the place at midnight. Listen closely.
Yeah, uh-oh. Riff-raff, guys, I'm glad you're back. Wait till I tell you what these three crooks are planning to do.
Slow down, Mungo. You'll put a strain on your brain.
Yeah, and so they plan to destroy the place with bulldozers and like that.
So they can buy it cheap. Okay, Operation Booby Trap is now in effect. On the double. Your stink bomb slingshot's coming along fine, Hector.
I'm ready for him.
Good work, Mungo. Anyone who comes by here is going to get mud in their eye.
Aye, aye, boss.
Mattress is stretched across the pit. They drive right on and then that's it.
I see you're well-versed today, Wordsworth. If I may interrupt your vigil, O guardian of the junkyard, your only job tonight is to sound the alarm bark. For this, he gets paid. Midnight. Let's synchronize our watches.
11:30.
8:30 and getting late.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes to something.
Close enough. Why doesn't that dog bark?
Now that's what I call a bark.
Man the battle stations! Thank you. And now... charge!
Banzai!
Hit him high, hit him low. Now it's time to go, go, go.
Yeah, me too.
This is getting to be a habit. You all have my permission to yell and scream.
Mommy!
Laurie, leave no trash unturned.
Yeah, my bucket away! Yeah, something went wrong.
Take out the pile of junk to the left. That's their headquarters.
I'm on my way, boss man.
Man the slime buckets, Hector. Bulldozer at 12 o'clock.
I still got 11:30, riff-raff.
Just cut the rope.
Roger Wilco, over and under. Fire!
Great shot, Hector. Your accuracy is incredible.
Nice going, guys.
Calling all troops. Retreat to the bunker behind the sinkhole. Once again, you all have my permission to scream and yell. I think we've got them on the run.
Time to sway and slam.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sway it again, slam.
We say.
I'll get back to you on that, Hector.
Yeah. Yo, man. Sorry, boss.
What's the word, Wordsworth?
Roses are red and so's my suspender. From my vantage point, it looks like surrender.
They're gonna surrender?
No, we are done!
All right, troops. Time for Plan B.
Oh, what a drag. We need a white flag.
Mungo, give me your hanky.
Mungo, you yellow-bellied coward! Get back here and surrender!
Nothing doing.
I can't believe my ears.
They are kind of big, but you'll get used to them, boss.
I'll pretend I didn't hear that.
Kind of hard when you look like an elephant.
All right, wise guy. You surrender.
The dirty yellow cowards are surrendering. Cease fire.
I like a cat who knows when it's over.
All right, come out with your paws up.
Yeah, don't give up, guys. It's Mungo and his dumb statue to the rescue.
That's my Mungo. I knew he wouldn't let me down. Guess he wants me down here where it's safe.
No fair. You guys already surrendered.
Surrender? Never.
Go get him, Mungo.
Green Street, he's all yours.
Mine. All mine.
Mungo!
Look out.
Behind you.
Yeah, I don't want to hurt you, Mr. Bulldozer Man. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Splendidly done. A hole in one.
That's par for the course.
Please, Mr. Mangle, let me at him.
Take him, Laurie. Batter him down to size.
Mungo, battering ram at 4 o'clock.
I still have 11:30.
Yeah, go!
Olay!
Away!
Who turned out the lights? It's not fair. It's not fair.
Olay!
Green Street, Laurie, it's curtains.
Let's get out of here.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Way to go, Mungo.
All right.
Take a bow.
Gee, boss, are you really proud of me?
I'll get back to you on that, Mungo.